Whether you're on the lookout for an amazing Showit template for your new website, or maybe you're still weighing up your options between Showit, WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix, I'm really glad you found me. Because in this video, I'm going to break down what you need to know about Showit so you can decide if it's the right platform for you, my 3 favorite Showit template shops and what each of them do uniquely well, and the insider scoop on my personal experience using Showit, including what it took to be able to create a website that has me regularly receiving feedback like this, and this. So let's start with a Showit crash course in hopefully 90 seconds or less. Showit is a hosted website platform, so that means they take care of the hosting for you and you don't have to pay for it yourself the way you would if you were using WordPress. That means it's really well suited to someone who is not super technical, doesn't really want to bother with all of the technical sides of websites, and definitely if you are a first-time website creator. Using Showit will require a subscription, which costs anywhere from about $230 to $400 US a year, and that really just depends on what you need, with the cheapest one being for a really simple blog-free site to the most expensive being for a blog that has high traffic and where you need more technical things like advanced plugins and things like that. The way Showit works is quite unique. So their actual platform is not like any other website builder on the market. However, the blog hosting aspect of the site is run through WordPress. So once you've done all of the design things through their software, managing your blog is going to be like managing any WordPress blog, which could be helpful if you have experience with that platform already. Now, in my opinion, the real draw cards for using Showit are: 1, it is easier to use than WordPress, especially in the design and building stage. It is far more flexible than Squarespace, where you tend to be very limited in what you can do on a page. It is faster loading and far more SEO friendly than Wix. And ultimately, I find that this platform is the easiest for anyone to be able to create those wow aesthetics, especially if you don't have design experience. I will include a link to check out Showit in the description below, as well as everything else I mentioned in this video, and just know that if you use my link, you will get 1 month free of Showit. Now, let's talk about templates, because this is honestly what makes Showit the most appealing website platform for so many creators and entrepreneurs and personal brands out there. There are a ton of Showit template creators out there on the interwebs, and my personal recommendation, which may not be a popular one, is to try to stick to the more reputable creators, so like those biggest sites that are known for creating Showit templates, because you are going to get more robust site designs, you're going to get far more technical support, you probably also get training on how to get started. I also find that their templates tend to include really strategic layouts, copy prompts, all sorts of things that only some of those independent creators will include with their designs. But don't worry, just because I'm saying that you should narrow your search does not mean you won't be spoiled for choice, because there are so many incredible options out there. And I'm about to break down my 3 personal favorites, all sites that I have used myself to purchase from. Let's start with Northfolk, which is one of those reputable companies that's pretty well known and develop beautiful templates. And while all of their theme templates are gorgeous, I do find that they tend to serve photography businesses above all, although some of my favorites are, one of them is perfect for a copywriter and one of them is perfect for a coach or a consultant. That said though, my favorite option on the Northfolk site is actually their universal base. This is a foundational template style, which is very minimalist and simple. So it's not like they've got a very strong opinion aesthetically. It's designed to be as neutral as possible so that you can truly make it your own. It's going to be really quick to get up and running, and you can always add your flair in time. Honestly, I would have bought this for myself if they had it available when I was first creating my site, because it gives you all of the kind of canvases that you would need to put together the perfect site for you. They also have the universal add-on kit, which includes specialty sections, including ones for if you have a podcast, a blog, an online store, a membership, selling courses, sales funnels. So you can kind of piece together your perfect website just using those. All of this said, if you don't want to go with Northfolk for your base template, they do also sell a lot of individual pieces, which are known as single canvas add-ons. And they are perfect for adding flair and wow factor to any website. So think marquee text that scrolls across the page, stacking tabs that I personally think are very sexy, if that could be a thing, stacking images, split screen scroll, which tends to be a really popular feature on Squarespace websites. So many more. Basically, if you've ever been looking at someone else's website and drooling over a particular feature that seems extra fancy and unusual, and you're like, how do I do that? Northfolk probably sells an individual piece that you can buy, so you can achieve that with literally any website template you're working with. Obviously, if it's a Showit template. I realized that everything that I've talked about so far with Northfolk has probably been erring on the side of suiting someone who has a little bit more technical confidence, someone who has a really specific thing in mind that they want to create for their website, and they're prepared to get their hands dirty and kind of build it themselves rather than having like a single click out of the box template that's ready to go. So if that is feeling a little bit too much for you and you would actually love the option of having someone else customize the site for you or with you, then you should definitely check out Emma Troy. So Emma Troy is a wonderful Aussie website and brand designer who has less overall options for sale. However, they are very high-end premium templates, and you can either buy one and then customize it yourself, or you could hire her and get her to do the customization for you, which can end up with some really beautiful outcomes. On that note, she also sells semi-custom brands, which could be perfect for you if you are starting your brand from scratch and you don't necessarily have the budget for a full-blown branding project. By the way, Emma's Audrey template is actually the template I used as the original base for my own site. So I chose it because I could see that it had some really unique and cool features, like it was quite edgy, and it felt like it was really going to complement the brand identity that I was in the process of developing at the time. And then what I did was also purchase some add-ons from Tonic, which I'm about to tell you about, and even later down the track from Northfolk, and that has helped me create this really hybrid, much more customized option. Like, it was still a template job. It wasn't actually a custom website. I will link to Emma's site in the description below, and just know that if you do buy one of her full template options, you can use my code VIPCAT and get 10% off. Then she'll also send you a code for 10% off your first year of Showit. While we're on the topic of my website though, I thought this would be a great opportunity to address a couple of things that come up very regularly. One is people asking, why did you move to Showit? Because I was a WordPress user for years and I was actually really happy with it. But when it came time for my rebrand a few years back, ultimately my main reason for moving was that I had this really specific vision in my head about the kind of website I wanted to create, and there were no WordPress templates that came close to doing that. So I knew that Showit was my best bet as far as achieving that aesthetic. But the other thing was, I was finding that whenever I wanted to make a change to my own website using the WordPress builder, like I was using Elementor at the time, every time I wanted to make a change, it took me forever. Whereas the Showit builder means that, like, I've basically got a blank canvas, and if I see that I want to put a literal splash of paint somewhere, I can just drop that paint exactly where I want it to go, and I don't have to figure out, oh, exactly how many pixels it is from the side. And it's really a lot more like using an actual design software like Photoshop or even Canva. The other question I get all the time is, who designed your website? I know that a lot of people who ask this, it's because they're like, oh, can I just use your designer? And I always feel a little sorry when I have to say, actually, I did it myself. As I said, I used all of those templates as a base, and then I got to work customizing it to my own needs. And so, no, I can't hand you my website designer because that's actually me. However, if you keep watching, I'm going to give you some more tips as to how you can achieve this no matter who you're working with, or even if you're DIYing. Now, as I said before, Emma Troy wasn't the only template that I used to help create my site. Some of the other elements came from Tonic site shop. Probably the most well-known. They are amazing marketers. Like, I seriously love their emails. Tonic makes very high-end wow factor sites, and I find that they can work for basically any industry, and they cover just about every aesthetic that you could possibly think of. I also find that their templates are so well thought out from like a brand strategy point of view that you can really just take their site and launch it as is if you wanted to, or just change some fonts and colors, but it already feels so branded. And that can be helpful if you don't have an existing brand identity for yourself, and therefore you need someone to kind of fill in the gaps for you. Just make sure though that you are clear on what you're really wanting to put out there in the world before you go committing to a template, because they are not cheap. Like any of the templates that I've mentioned. And I have personally made the mistake before of jumping the gun and purchasing a template thinking it was perfect for me and realizing a couple of months later it was completely wrong, and having to sheepishly ask them if I could exchange it for a different template. Don't be like Kat. Something else that's beautiful about Tonic is that they have matching sales pages that you can buy as add-ons, so that you've got that very strategic conversion copy focused design to add to your site that feels just, you know, very consistent and cohesive. And they also have some really cool add-ons, which is what I was mentioning before that I purchased. My personal favorite being their quiz pack add-on. So if you have a quiz funnel, they've got all the pages that you will need for that are so much prettier than the ones that tend to come with any quiz software, and also will just get you up and running so much quicker than if you're trying to design them from scratch. But one final thing I want to mention about Tonic is their sexy Canva templates. Oh my goodness. So they have social media templates that match each of the website templates. So like if you're just wanting to brand your Instagram feed so that it matches your website, you can do that very easily, but that's not all they've got. They also have templates for proposals, lead magnets, slide decks that are all stunning, but also strategically designed. So they actually tell you what you need to say where in order for you to, you know, make the sale or whatever. So I absolutely love those. So the link to check out Tonic will also be in the description. And if you use my code CAT, you will get 15% off, I believe, anything in their entire store, which is pretty awesome. Like I said, none of these options are cheap, but they are 100% worth the investment. A really well done website is something that you absolutely see ROI on. And if you compare it with hiring a decent, as in great designer and strategic and follows your guidelines, all of that, website designer in this day and age, you're looking at thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to do it really well. Beware of anyone who's not charging that much. It's a red flag. So I highly recommend that when the time comes for you to do your website, set aside money to start with a really strong template. It's gonna make all the difference. That said, before you go running off and doing that, I need to put on my brand strategist hat and give you some real talk. Templates are not magic wand solutions. Like, you don't just buy a template and poof, all of your business woes, your professional woes just disappear. Your messaging takes care of itself. Suddenly things are just selling themselves without you having to do anything. No, a template is a really strong foundational piece, but from 12 years of helping other people build their businesses and personal brands, there are 3 things in particular you need to know about using templates and setting up your website. Firstly, the quality of the images that you use on your site are drastically going to impact the final product of your website. Now, I have no problem with stock images if they're done right, but most of the time when people purchase stock images or don't purchase, grab free ones, they look stocky, they look fake, they look really cheap and tacky, and none of the templates that I shared with you today will suit that. So I have included some links to my favorite stock image suppliers that are editorial style, and so that will take care of a lot of the imagery you need. Obviously, the other imagery you need are personal brand images, which is a topic in itself that I'll save for another day. Thing number 2, even if you start with a stunning template, if you don't have preset brand guidelines for yourself, so how you're utilizing colors, how you're utilizing fonts, the size of the margins and all of that, if you start messing with that template without guidelines, very quickly you will cheapen the whole look of the website and make it look inconsistent, and just something will be off. So much of what makes a website appealing aesthetically is the consistent amount of white space, the consistent use of fonts, the tasteful use of colors, and all of those things require a strategy before you start tinkering. Please don't be a tinkerer. It will not end well. And thing number 3, a website, no matter how pretty it is, will do nothing for your business or brand if it doesn't have impactful messaging to go with it. The feedback that I get about my website is always that, yes, it looks beautiful, and what it says speaks directly to my ideal client. And they're like, I knew it. Once I read what you were saying, it was like you were in my head and I had to work with you. And so do not think that by just buying a beautiful template, you're suddenly going to change everything. It is so important that you start with the strategy around who is it you're serving? What is it you have to offer them? How do you want to express yourself uniquely? All of those things mean then you're going to add fuel to the fire when it comes to choosing the right template. So in other words, before you go choosing that template and committing to paying for it and starting to try and set it up and tinker with it, there are some things that you need to think about and do first. And good news, I talk about a lot of those things in this video. If you want personalized support in how to do all of this in building out your brand and messaging strategy, that is exactly what I do. So be sure to get in touch. I'd be really happy to chat. But I hope this was helpful. Leave me a comment if so, and make sure you're subscribed for more content like this. I will see you on the next one.